Greetings ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new OTYS Go advice video. Today we'll discuss the Kanban boards within OTYS modules such as the candidates and vacancies module, but also the boards featured on a dashboard. You may or may not have heard of the word Kanban before. It describes a tool that gives your projects a clear visual overview in order to gain insight into the status of a procedure. It also allows you to drag and drop the procedure to the following phase, similar to sticking notes on a whiteboard. If you're familiar with platforms such as Trello or Asana, you may have seen very similar interfaces. So without further ado, let's first start by checking what these Kanban boards look like in a module like candidates. Let's open one candidate detail. As you can see, this candidate has been joined to 3 vacancies. I can edit the procedure status of this candidate in several ways. One of them is by going to the procedure module. Instead, I'll be using a more intuitive method, with a lesser amount of steps. Now if I click on the tab Kanban, I can see the application procedures and their status. One procedure is ready to enter the next phase. The candidate is ready for his first interview. So I can take that procedure and drag it to the 3rd phase. Now a window pops up with a workflow to send the candidate an invitation. I'll fill that one in. And I can send it. That's basically how the Kanban board works. But now we're just limited to the procedures of one candidate. I can do the same thing in a vacancy detail. Just open one vacancy in a vacancy module, click on Kanban, and you will see the candidates in different application stages. Now what if I want to see an overview of all my procedures? I can view them on my dashboard. Over here you can now see a Kanban board of all the procedures belonging to a certain owner of the client. You can select the owner if you only want to see the procedures belonging to him or her. You can also select all the owners to get the entire overview. There are also some filter options in case you want to, for example, only view a certain candidate. You may also notice that you can toggle and collapse the columns of the procedure stages to either get a more complete overview or to hide the ones you don't need to see. So let's drag some of these candidates to their new procedure status. I want to hire this candidate, and the other one I'm going to reject, unfortunately. A new workflow pops up, and I can now see a rejection email. Aside from dragging the procedures, you can also click on the 3 dots for some extra options. You can open either the candidate, vacancy, or procedure detail. You can also view its history to see its previous statuses. So that's how the Kanban boards work. It's a quicker and more intuitive way of managing your procedures, and it gives you a clear overview of all your procedures. Note, if the Kanban boards are still absent in your OTYS interface, customer success can help you with the transition. Newer procedure interfaces are more streamlined, making Kanban boards possible. You can send a support ticket to get in touch with them. Try the Kanban boards out for yourself. Good luck placing your candidates.